In this video, I want to show you a couple of examples of some of the relays that might be used on different cars. Many relays, or most of them, will have a drawing or illustration of what the different terminals are on the relay and what the schematic of the relay looks like. Here we have the relay coil, and terminals 85 and 86 go to the relay coil. And here we're showing that the switch side of the relay uses terminals 30 and 87. And 30 is actually connected to the side that's the pivot, and 87 actually gets connected to the side when the relay activates and the switch pulls over. And then if I was to pull this relay and turn it so that you can see the bottom, you could see that they label the four terminals here on the relay with the number here. So this terminal would be 30, this would be 87. So you do have to be careful if you're trying to find these terminals on the car, because when they draw the picture of the relay, notice how 30 and 87 are right on top of each other, but on the electrical contacts of the relay itself, notice how they're diagonally across. And the same with the 85 and 86. These two terminals are actually going to the coil, and they are 85 and 86, but in reality they're at a diagonal, and on the picture they draw them straight up and down because it's just easier to understand the picture that way by having it not cross diagonally. And here's just another example of a different style relay where the terminals may look different, but the numbers and contacts are the same. In this case, this one's a single pole double throw. And one other thing to note, it is common for some relays to use these terminals, 30 and 87, 87A, 85 and 86, but there are other manufacturers of relays that may use A, B, C, D, E, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it doesn't matter as long as they give you a picture of which number coincides with which part of the relay. You should be able to then lift it up and look at those numbers and make some type of test on the terminal that you need to.